Hi, alright, it's Mr. Dobson here. I'm going to hopefully try and explain a little bit more about choosing resistant materials as your option area in your 18 to 9 DT options. So, as you know, and Mr. Lacey's mentioned, normally in year 8 you'd study all 4 DTs, so resistant materials, graphics, textiles and food, and you normally spend about 10 weeks in each of these material areas, so that equates to about 20 lessons. So, what have we done so far in resistant materials at Penistone? If you remember back in year 7, we made our Tower of Hanoi, that small puzzle made from a mixture of woods, metals, plastics. Again, we started off with the design work, we then made our Tower of Hanoi all the way through to evaluation and producing our drawing to try and improve our drawing skills. In year 8, we did our wooden toy, so we looked at some mechanisms, why mechanisms are used. We then again improved our drawing skills and then made our more complicated wooden toy project and then produced our final drawings at the end of it. In year 9, as you can see down here, we then decided to make a USB lamp for your bedroom. So, why do we do these little mini options? Hopefully, what we're looking to do is give you a little bit longer in each material area. So this time, you're only going to choose 3 different material areas rather than the 4 we did in year 7s and 8. So we end up with more lesson time with the teachers. So again, that means that we can do more complicated design work, more complicated making tasks, and give you a better idea of what DT is going to be like at GCSE. Again, because of this extra time, we'll be able to use a lot wider range of equipment and again, more complicated processes. And again, it's a good chance for your teachers to get to know you that little bit better, ready for choosing your options at the end of year 9. So, to have a little bit more detail about this USB lamp. So again, we start very similar process that we do most of our projects. So we look at sort of research and investigation. So we've got a little mind map there that we start with. We then start looking in detail at existing products, so what lamps are already in the market, how big they are, how they're made, what materials they're all made from. Within this project, we then start looking at existing designers and design movements and start analysing some of the features that we can use from that design movement into our own lamp. Once we've decided on which design we're going to use, we then sketch up some ideas. So you can see we've got some 2D, fairly basic drawings. However, very quickly in year 9, we then start to try and enhance our drawing skills, producing isometric drawings, detailed views, and improving the annotation on there. So we're getting up to sort of GCSE standard work at the end of year 9. Once we've done our design work, we're then going to transfer that onto our CAD software, our computer design software, to actually be able to laser cut some of the components for our lamps. Once we've actually done all our design work and transferred our design work onto the computer using our computer design software, we then spend the majority of the time in year 9 actually building our product. So you can see on these examples here, we've got the students' design work down there, and they've put a lot of hard work and effort into producing a really, really creative, innovative product there. Again, there's another example, again, slightly different design for the lamp shade and lamp base. More for you there. Again, this one's using the Bauhaus design movement, so you can see it's clearly different. So we can get some really, really high quality finished products. At the end of the project, as normal, we then evaluate our project, finding out which bits we think went well, how we might have improved our product. Is there anything we could do, better if we were to do this project again? And again, we've got quite a good guide sheets around that to help you as well. So hope you like that little summary of the year 9 project. And again, it's hopefully going to give you a good standing for if you choose DT at GCSE. So again, the next few slides give you a brief overview of DT at GCSE. Where it might take you. Engineering is a popular option to go into if you're going to study DT at GCSE, architecture, civil engineer, product designers. Again, doesn't matter which of the DT subject areas you choose, we all cover the same basic principles in each of the areas. And again, it's split up into 50% coursework, so the sort of design and make tasks that we're doing at Key Stage 3, and then 50% exam when it comes to your end of GCSE. Again, the benefits of that is that we get a good combined knowledge of all the materials that we can work with. And there's the brief overview of how the course is laid out. And again, some of the ideas, some of the more details about what you're going to actually study at GCSE. So again, here's some examples of some GCSE design works. We've got some initial ideas pages. You can see we've got some really nice CAD models, some computer design models. Again, using those skills that we've learned in Year 9. Again, we then try and take those designs that we've sketched up and modelled up into a final working model, with as much detail as we can so we can actually manufacture that product. And the bit that most people enjoy is actually realising our design work and making a fully functioning finished product at GCSE. And again, exactly the same as we've done at GCSE 3, evaluating that product for fitness for purpose. Hope you enjoyed that short presentation. And as if you want to pick resistant materials in your 18 to 9 options, please select number 1. Thank you.